Today I will show you Klipsch R12SWWA2 subwoofer review video. The Klipsch R12SWWA2 subwoofer is a great-looking 12-inch woofer that provides great bass and effects when watching movies, listening to music, and more. It is one of the best subwoofers around that will guarantee amazing performance. The deep bass 300 WRMS, and the sound quality from the Klipsch R12SWWA2 will surely entice you. The Klipsch reference R12SWWA2 subwoofer looks amazing thanks to the front-firing 12-inch spun copper driver. This is enclosed in a beautiful brushed black polymer veneer MDF cabinet that enhances the performance. Pros: 12 inches spun copper ceramic woofer. All-digital amplifier delivers 600 watts of dynamic power. Front-firing slot port with exclusive internal flare technology. LR line level, LFERCA inputs for compatibility with most receivers. The R12SWWA2 is housed in a durable MDF cabinet and finished with a brushed black polymer veneer and satin painted MDF plinth. The front-mounted LED power indicator lets you know when the system is powered on or off. Thanks for watching and subscribe this channel.